everyone, it's your girl DeeJay coming to you with another video. This is going to be another DIY video. It's going to be on how to crochet. So if you ever wanted to know how to crochet and thought, I don't know, it seems like it'd be a little difficult, it's not as bad as it actually seems it is. It's pretty easy. I've been crocheting for years. I've made many projects. I make my own beanies, made beanies for friends, my gloves, everything. Even home decor items I make. So I want to do a series of videos. I'm going to start off with today's video, which is going to be how to make your beginning chain. Every crochet project starts off with a chain. That's your foundation for your crochet. So we're going to start off simple like that, and I'm going to have a sequence of videos that's going to show different stitches for you to learn how to do. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like my video, and don't forget to smash that bell button so that you can receive notifications every time that I upload a video. Now there are going to be a couple of things that you're going to need for this project. One of them is going to be a crochet hook. This is a USH. It's a medium-sized crochet hook. If you're just starting off, I don't recommend starting off with anything too big or too small. So usually a G, a H, somewhere around there. I like the H crochet hook. I use it for most of my projects. So that's one of my favorite hooks. And then of course, another thing that you're going to need is going to be a skein of yarn. Now I picked this up at Hobby Lobby, and it's called I Love This Yarn. And let me tell you something, guys. I love this yarn. It is so soft. And I did pick it up in the color Stonewash. I think it's a pretty color. It almost looks like a denim, a light wash denim color. So those are the two items that you're going to need to complete this project. So if this is something you're interested in seeing, stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to get started learning on how to crochet a chain. Okay, so first thing that you want to do is you're going to want to find the end of your yarn. And the way you do that is you just look in the middle of your skein, either on one end or the other, and there's going to be a loose end hanging out, so you just grab it and pull you out enough yarn to start you off with your project. Okay, so every project begins with a chain. So that's what we're going to learn how to do today, is learn how to do a chain. First thing that you need to do is get you a beginning loop. So in order to do this, we're just going to get our crochet hook. I'm right-handed. I'm going to hold it in my right hand. If you're left-handed, go ahead and hold it in your left hand, whatever feels better for you. When I crochet, I hold my hook like this, kind of like you're writing with a pencil, okay? And that's how I hold my crochet hook, okay? Okay, almost like writing with a pencil, right? Okay. Now we're going to pick up the end of our yarn, and this is just really easy. You take it with your pointer finger and your thumb, and just snatch it up like that. And so you're going to have it just in between your thumb and your pointer finger, and I do the tail going towards my pinky. Okay? You see the tail is just going towards my pinky. Okay, I take the yarn and I wrap it around two fingers like that. Okay, I slide my two fingers out, insert my crochet hook. Oh, help if I had the right end, huh? Grab the yarn, pull it out. Okay, so you have what looks like this. Okay, now hold on to your tail and your feeder end. The short end is going to be your tail. I call the other end the feeder end. That's the yarn that gets fed into your project. So I hold on to both of them, and I just pull on my crochet hook and make a pretty tight knot. Let go of the tail end and then just pull. Okay? So let's look at that one more time. Make sure that you have it right. Okay? So we're going to pick up our yarn, put it between your thumb and your index finger with the tail going towards your pinky. Okay, wrap it around two fingers, pull your fingers out, insert your crochet hook, grab your yarn. You're going to go over the top of your yarn, grab it and pull it through like this. Hold onto your tail and your feeder end, make you a little knot, let go of the tail and pull it tight. Okay, so that's going to be your beginning loop. Now, a couple things you need to be aware of. If you pull on the tail right now, it's going to loosen up your loop. See how it just loosened that up? Okay, if you pull on the feeder end, it's going to tighten it up. Okay, so that's something that you need to be aware of. If you feel as though it's too tight on there, well, that's okay. Just pull on the tail end and loosen it up a little bit. Or if you feel it's too loose, just pull on the feeder end and tighten it up. Now, moving on to how to hold your yarn for the proper tension. Tension is really important when you're crocheting. It determines how tight or how loose your stitches are going to come out. And you want to keep the same tension throughout your whole entire crochet project, or you're going to have some really tight stitches and then you're going to have some really loose stitches, and your project is going to look a little bit wonky, okay? And we definitely don't want that, okay? Now, the way that I hold my yarn for the proper tension is I have the palm of my hand. I feed the yarn in between my ring finger and my pinky finger like that, okay? Just coming right in between there like that. And then I go over my 3 fingers like that, okay? And then I wrap my index finger around the yarn, okay? And that's how I do it. So let's see that one more time, okay? So we're gonna go between our ring finger and our pinky finger, across our other fingers, the remainder 3 fingers, and I wrap my index finger around it, and that's how I control my tension. The yarn gets fed from in between your pinky and your ring finger, so you don't want to hold that real tight because you need the yarn to be able to feed through there, okay? Now, we're going to learn how to make our very first chain, okay? You're going to take your crochet hook. Remember, I'm right-handed. I'm holding it with my right hand. I'm feeding my yarn and holding my tension with my left hand, okay? When I do that, I keep my pointer finger straight like this, and I hold on to the tail of my project just to start off with, just for the first couple of stitches, between my middle finger and my thumb, okay? Now, you're going to want to go to the because remember, I'm right-handed, so you go to the left of your yarn, go underneath, grab it in your hook, and pull it through your beginning loop, okay? So you just made 1 chain. So let's go ahead and try again. So go to the left side of your yarn, underneath, grab it, and pull it through your loop. So you just made 2. It's very important that you count your chains, because when you get ready to follow instructions on how to make a certain project, it's going to start you off with so many chains because you have to have so many stitches for the project. You want to make sure that you count all your chains, and you want to make sure you count all your stitches through your whole entire project, just to make sure that you don't drop a stitch somewhere or add a stitch somewhere. So you want to keep your crochet project evenly dimensional, okay? So we're doing good so far, okay? It's not as bad as you think it is, right? So we're going to try another chain, okay? Come on, you can do it. Hold that index finger straight out. Keep that tension good on your yarn, all right? So hold on to your chain for stabilization. Go to the left side underneath, grab it, and pull it out. So we just did 3, okay? And if you lose count, you can go back and you can count the humps on there, and I have 1, 2, 3, okay? I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it creates humps is the best that I can describe it. So I have 1, 2, 3, okay? So let's keep on going. You're doing good. Don't give up yet, okay? Go to the left side underneath, grab it, and pull. That's 4. Now I'm going to do, just for demonstration purposes, a total of 20. So come on and crochet with me. Let's do our 20 chains. Remember, we're at 4. Okay, so here we go with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and come on for the last one to the left side underneath, grab it and pull it through. Oh my goodness, you did it! You made 20 chains. Look at that. You should be so proud of yourself. It's not as bad as you thought it was, huh? Now, if you did struggle with it a little bit, it's okay to struggle at first. Practice makes perfect. Don't give up, though. Keep trying. You can do it, all right? All right, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you were able to learn something from it, learn how to make your beginning chains for your crochet project. If you feel as though you struggle a little bit with it, don't give up, please. I have 100% confidence that you can get it, okay? Practice makes perfect, so don't give up, all right? If it's something that you feel like you really want to learn how to do, just go ahead and take the time to keep doing it. Now, the next video that I'm going to post is going to be how to single crochet. So practice that chain so that when it gets time for you to watch the next video on how to single crochet, you'll have that chain down to a science. All right? Once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, smash that bell notification so that you can receive notifications every time that I upload a video. Alright guys, once again, my name is DeeJay. Thank y'all so much for watching, and until next time.